video. Lucas Turco here. So in today's video, we're going in, we're about to do a chest and back workout. Got my cousin behind the camera. We're gonna get some nice footage for you guys. Like I said, today's gonna be chest and back. I'm gonna be showing you guys my chest. I never really do chest and back. It's like the Arnold split where he would do chest and back, shoulders and arms, and then legs. But yeah, we're gonna do chest and back today, arms tomorrow, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna do some good exercises. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the gym. Alright, what's going on, guys? So we just warmed up. We got 2 plates on bench right now. We're busting out the salt because you already know it gives you a crazy pump like I talked about a few videos ago. So we're just gonna put a little bit of salt in the water. Within like 5-10 minutes, you're gonna start to see it, like your body retaining water, and it's just nice. Yo, it's not coming out. It's stuck. Alright, my salt shaker's clogged, so we just... Fire. Not too much, you know, you don't want to catch some heart disease. But anyways, I'm about to bench 2 plates right now. Get juicy, maybe work up to like 245 for 10 or something. I don't know what you say. Chest and back session was a success. We just repped 225 out for like 5 sets of 10, which is pretty beast. We did basically chest back, and the pump was pretty good, as you guys saw if you did. But yeah, that's a full workout. Congrats to my man behind the camera. My cuz out here. He did a great job recording, bro. Thank you. I owe you, bro. I'll buy you like a case of beer or something. Yeah. All right. Okay, we're gonna make some burgers post-workout. Just some quick protein, but we're gonna make them taste good. So in one bowl, we're gonna do onions, as you can see, I'm dicing them. Sick. So you gotta dice your onions, and then we're gonna dice our pepper, just like that. And then once we have 2 of them diced, we're gonna put them in this bowl. In the other bowl will be these spices right here. So we're gonna mix spices and the onions and the peppers together. Put some cheese on our burgers. Not the best burger patty, but you get the idea. Sub in whatever patty you want. And we're probably gonna just put them on some bread. Okay, so post-workout right now, we're cooking some burgers, as you guys see. We have our spices here. So, spices! Yo, what we put in here? What's in here, G?
We got garlic powder, red crushed pepper, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of what? What's that special ingredient?
Cayenne pepper, right?
Cayenne.
Cayenne pepper, my bad. Now we're gonna sprinkle this on a little bit like Salt Bae. Don't worry, my hands are clean. Look at that. Look at that, baby. That's fucking beautiful. Gotta get nice and low. It's windy out here. Oh, wow, I see myself. That's sick. All right, so my camera just died, so we're switching to the GoPro right now. But, you know, we're doing the same procedure. So, yeah, we're just salting one side. We don't want to use up all our spice, so we'll just get one side right now, and then we will save some for the other side once we flip. On the other side, we're going to put the onions and the peppers. But yeah, these are coming out pretty good right now. Probably in a few minutes we'll flip. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Yo, this camera's sick. Yo, I wish we got the flip on camera, but we just flipped the burgers, so looking good. Like, that's like the perfect way you want them to look. So the other side's red. So while the other side cooks, we're about to season the top of our burger right now. So right now we got fresh onions and peppers, diced by yours truly. Looking good. So we're gonna sprinkle these on top right now. Make a nice like layer. So we can use all of this for all four because we'll just equally distribute this. This is actually gonna be insane. I'm so excited. So what, okay, I don't know, you're the expert here. What happens like with the onions and peppers under the cheese? Why are we putting them under the cheese?
Well, we're putting them under the cheese mainly to keep them from moving and going all over the place. But onions and peppers, they also sweat. And when they're sweating, they release all that juicy flavor and what we're looking for.
All right, can you say that and not sound like a pedophile? That actually looks so good. That's incredible. So right here we're gonna apply cheese. Cover up all that juicy onion and pepper so that it can't escape.
You're not going nowhere, onion and pepper.
Exactly. So we'll do 2 with the sliced cheese and 2 with shredded, right? Keep these nice and even. That's wild. So the burgers are looking good right now. The cheese is melted. Let's check the bottom. So let's get underneath that. That looks beautiful because you know it's nice and red inside still. So right now I'm gonna do a little triple stack because I'm a dog. My cousin's just gonna have one. So all right, one a baby. It fits actually like a glove. 2. 3. That's beautiful. This is for you, my guy. Looking incredible. Turn this off. Leave it open to cool down. That's looking absolutely insane right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this over. And so our sauces to top it off is some old-fashioned, what is this? Peter Luger steak sauce combined with a little buffalo sauce for that spice. So let's do the honors here. We gotta be gentle with this here. We don't want to be a little too aggressive. That's looking nice. So that'll seep down. We're gonna mix this with a little steak sauce here. Oh, we should literally like open up a restaurant. It was incredible right now. Bro.
12 o'clock midnight.
Lexi, what kind of hold is that? What is it? What is like? What's up? It's not. It's not. I mean, shit. Someone gotta tell her. Someone gotta tell her.
How to order peanuts? Where's my phone? Left or right?
Slightly to the right.
Right?
Off the Red Bull.
I just left.
What do you guys think of that shot? Not it.
3 out of 10.
You should teach her your
I
hold.
left, didn't I?
Maybe you should use it.
Hold.
It's all about the hold. See, but I don't know which one I'm gonna hit. Maybe the purple, maybe the red. Just gonna have to see. Hater. She's a hater. Remember how I plugged her Instagram? Don't follow.
What do you guys say?
I say follow her. Guys, we have a very special guest shooter right now, celebrity shot. Mrs. Mom Cavito.
Mom Tomato.
Hi, Mom Cavito.
Hello.
All right, what's your plan for the shot?
I'm a strike, right? I'm a strike.
No, we're solids. We're solids.
DJs all the way down to Wildwood. You guys are rocking the beats right now here at F-Code and Dyson Show. With DJ Chris Carvin.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg. That was a good shot. That was fire. Trying your way.
Come on.
I don't like your way. I know that's how you're supposed to do it. You know elbows.
Disappointment right there. He's embarrassed.
Honestly, yo, even though I lost, I'm still a winner.